In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add picture in Canva template using phone. So first of all, open Canva app in your mobile, and once you open the app, search for the template which you want to have. Let's say I want to add a picture in happy birthday template. Then firstly, I need to search here happy birthday, and once we search this, then they will filter all of the templates by happy birthday. So let's say I want to go with this template, then I need to select this, and then they will load the template in your Canva mobile app. Once the templates loads, we need to click on this gallery icon from the bottom toolbar. We need to click on gallery, and then it will show you all of the recent images from your mobile. If you want to filter these images to a folder, then for that tap on this icon here, and then it will show you the filters you have on your mobile like folders. So I want to select this image, and then I need to select this one right here. Now click on add to page. Now my image has been inserted over my template. Now to fit it in our template image, we need to drag this image onto the image where we want to replace it, just like this. And as you can see, the image has been replaced with this one. Now we just need to leave this image here, and that's it. We have replaced the image here, but the position of the image is not accurate. So to change the position, we need to double tap on our image, and then they will highlight our image. Now we can adjust the position of it. If you want to zoom your image, then drag the corners, and now once you are happy, tap on done, and that's it. I have successfully replaced the image in my Canva app. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.